one.
This video is going to demonstrate the other turf toe tape job. Again, we're not going to be using pre-wrap for this because we want it to adhere to the skin and be as tight as we possibly can. The materials that you want to use, again, is going to be athletic tape. We're going to have some elastic tape, and then a different product which is moleskin cut to a shape like this. So when we put it on, the moleskin itself is going to conform. It's very strong. It has no elastic components to it. It wraps around the proximal phalanx and then is secured in place with the elastic tape. So again, we have options for this. We can do it just for prevention of flexion or just for prevention of extension, or we can do it on the top and the bottom and keep it neutral. So if we have an issue with flexion or an issue with flexion here and an issue with extension, we go proximal phalanx here. That'll wrap around. We find the area that we want it to be at. So we find a neutral position for that toe. This gets laid down. If we wanted to put one on top as well, that'll completely neutralize it. So you do the same, just right on top. Again, secure this in place with the white tape. Again, we're ending it on the top, not on the bottom or on either side. And we want to cover up these ends. And the foot will always be in a nice relaxed position so we can work with it. Again, ending the tape on the top. I tend to just rub the end a little bit to allow it to adhere a little bit better, and then make sure that all of this is going to stay in place. And then we can test it functionally there and there. If it needs to be adjusted, we can actually go through and just adjust this one piece of tape. Turf toe.